I go sleep over.
Sleepover? You can't go to sleep. We're having a party.
No, I'm going like this. So when the fireworks wake me up, I go scream, and then I go wake up, and and then I just look at the fire. Oh, why did you do that, Missy Goosey?
Do you want to go home?
Sit down.
She can't help herself. Finish your chip. Remember?
And use your right hand, Kaden.
Oh look, there's beans. Do you like the beans?
This one the right hand.
That is your right hand.
So give me
Are you
that.
serious? Yeah.
Are you cold or not?
No.
No?
Really?
Wait
No,
for
no bean.
30 more minutes.
No bean, no bean, no bean.
That is not windy.
No,
For
no
30
bean.
more minutes.
No bean, no bean, no bean.
That is this bit. It's cardo, Kaden. Look,
Oh, Ross is actually bean and milk.
it's just cardo.
Mama, look at the bean. Jingle bell, jingle bell. Let's go fight.
You're on the gross floor, Kaden. Crocodile, get up.
I like the fireworks. Fireworks. Get out of my way. Go in your spot. I need to stay. Go in your spot.
Why are you getting cranky, Kaden? You got time, chicken. You don't have to be cranky. That's not friendly, Kaden.
If you need to sit down, if you don't want to see the fireworks, go and see put your seat right there and see the train.
But you're a bossy, Kaden. You know, that's you are. You're trying to be bossy.
What do we get watching? You bet he's taking a photo now.
Okay.
What about Jesse's the New Year for you?
Dad did say thank you very much.
Kaden,
Lucky.
did you say thank you? Where's your man?
You've got to look this way because they're going to start. You're watching over here. Let me sit on my...